shop was downtown.
Downtown King Street. Call it King Street and actually Beeson Street. Because only one other shop was there and then you have Beeson Street.
Right.
On the left side going up King Street.
Right. So
After a while we went over the other side.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. But since on King Street and the shop was owned by a fellow schoolmate used to go Excelsior. He was head boy too, you know. Never fool eye.
Mm-hmm.
Very established jeweler and so forth. And he just said to me one day, all right, have a shop, don't think that you want it. That's all I'm saying, you know. The money in the car, nothing. He just say, you know, through him going to do him other things, you know, he can't pay attention to that. So I'm just asking who want it. I'm take it. And there went on with the chariot movement. All right, so we want to go back a little bit.
Yes, man. Definitely. You're showing a Derrick. You call the shots.
From Thunderbird, yes.
Yes, man. You call the shots.
Yes. Thunderbird. Everybody have fight, forget that now. So 1959, I was coming back from New York. Because what? True opportunity when you had to top all the time. And the man them want you on Christmas morning show, you know, you don't want to miss that, you know. And I coming home. And I just start here little wranglings about the tune. He said, boy, Juke, Reid want it, Coxsone want it, this want it, that, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And because of this now, we'll put thing go on. And when I come here, Juke said, oh, we heard that song. We'd like to record it, you know. They want to record it, you know. So, you hear about Juke.
Yes, but me hear the story, but me why you tell the people about it.
Man, at his liquor store, you know, Bond Street, and so, you know. Yeah, he's a man seeing that business going on. But him, them days, you know, him never without him going, you know. You understand? Anytime I hear, so I never experienced it, but I hear, so you're doing a recording upstairs, the studio, because the liquor store is downstairs. You know?
Right.
Yeah, but I hear, the musician make a bad note, you know, let off one, you know. Let off a gunshot, you know.
Yes.
You know, a bad note again, you know. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But hey, as you them going Excelsior, we know all the little thing them are going, you know. And when them pay away for the song, give it 30 pounds. And the 30 pounds in a pure 5 shilling note, you know. So it look thick and big. Hey,
it's a whole heap of money.
to me,
Yeah.
I'm telling these schoolboys, with chariot and them drive with you that say, you see how much money you're getting? You know, but it's pure the 5 notes, them look enough. You know, but who are we to argue? They're on record now. You know? And we did a couple songs for him. You know, I was coming back home and thank God and in jail to different things, and it was the big session where I had Lollipop Girl, and there was another song named My Heart's Desire that was number 4 at the same time as Lollipop Girl was number 1. And that I mash up the whole place. So I had some dance and the man them lift me up high. And where I sit down, you know, it's about 6 cases of beer, you know. I don't know if they expect me to drink all that. But you know, it's happy, you know. You know? Yes. So that was a great time.
But
Yes.
I hear Derrick that
talking about it, you know.
yeah,
And I think that story though.
I wanna ask you about that because I understand Coxsone, the first copy of Lollipop Girl, you had basically sold to Thunderbird. Coxsone went and got it from him, which is why Duke Reid wanted you guys to sing it over. And so that caused a little eruption between him and Coxsone. Tell me about that.
I hear that too, you know. But I never experienced it, but I heard about it. You know, and there was a little eruption. So Duke was firing off first.
Right.
So I guess him get through with it the way there. But I hear that was actually so. you know.
Yeah.
Yes, because I hear them, they draw against one another. And
Yeah, man. Two of them back gun.
yes, back up gun and thing, yeah.
And then boy said, Duke Reid gun look like it bigger than Coxsone gun. And Coxsone forget about that.
Whoa!
Listen, Derrick, we're gonna touch a few more pieces of music because we want to listen to them know how big your catalog is, right? And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna discuss some more of these tunes. Let's go again, Garth.
The score about especially one of the songs that I sung and record and thing and became famous for.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going, it coming like I was telling a story, which is so. But I'm going to tell you what happened. Because boy, them things they're nice to remember, but what pass and gone, yes, sir.
What's the song? What's the song?
The same, what can I do this?
What can I do? All right, we'll touch that.
Yes.
Let's see what Mr. Big G has.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Blackford.